Hi everybody, welcome back to today's live stream with Golden Girl. Alright, so in today's live stream session, I will share with you my point of view for next week trading plan. Hi. Alright, let's wait for some friends here to join in the live stream today with us. Okay, seems like everybody is hanging out at this time on weekend. Obviously, easy to understand. Hello. Hi Nawa, welcome back to today's live stream. Hi Gokun. Hi my friends, welcome back. Alright, so as you know that the market is still moving in high volatility, right? In high volatility. And that's why I celebrate today's live stream session to share with you my weekly trading plan and how we can trade safely in the market crazy like this. Hi forever kid. Downside arrow. Downside. Actually, in the short term, the market is accumulating and recover after a breakdown. Yeah, a short-term downtrend. All right, so are you ready to listen for my weekend analysis in today's live stream session? Are you ready? If you follow my channel on Telegram, you will receive this report a few hours ago. Okay, let's get started. You can see that there are two channels or two trend line. Yeah, I indicate in the blue line. One is the upper trend and the second is the downtrend. Because we are doing the weekend, the weekly trading plan. So I choose the bigger time frame, like 3 hours, to do the analysis. Okay, feel free to type your comments and your questions on the chat box and I will try to reply. Yeah, indeed, because the market is moving in higher volatility. 1 minute candle can up to 100 pips. So if we set the stop loss tight about 5 points, as usual, it easily sweep our stop loss and then reverse. So that's why I would like to extend the stop loss level. And you should trade. Yeah, you should trade lower the trading volume to protect your risk when we trade. All right, because now everything is changes. The game is not as usual like we know before. For recent 2 weeks, recent 2 weeks from January 29 is for the starting of is drastically decrease of gold price, right? January 29, market moving in crazy volatility. 1 minute candle or even 1 second candle is up to 50 to 100 pips. Yeah, this never happened before. So that's why if you want to improve your winning rate, the only way I think we can do now is extending our stop loss level. Okay, so you should lower the trading volume than usual. All right. Actually, that if you trade in the micro lot, you can win with a significant profit. All right, and if we fail, just lost around $10 for 1 layer if we set the micro lot volume. Everything changes. The game is not before. It's not like before. All right, so that's why I would like to test and practice to extend. Even though that there was gapping signal, I know, but now it's safer for us to avoid liquidity sweep or stop loss hunting. $5 or $3 for stop loss, minus 50 pips or minus 30 pips is the story in the past. All right, and it's easily to be hunted by the market maker because everything is changing right now. So that is why I would like to change about the stop loss level bigger than a little bit. And the best way for us to lower our trading volume. You should technical analysis 1 hour and 4 hours standard time. I will change for daily time frame. For daily gold trading plan, I will use 1 hour to do analysis. All right, because that's a daily report. And for weekly technical analysis, I will use 3 hours to 4 hours. It depends to the situation that the market is moving. All right. What about working what? Working on candle analysis, for an example, 1 hour candle is doing good or not? Actually, the 1 hour, if we're looking at the picture. Yeah, let me switch into a 1 hour candle for you to easily understand. 1 hour, actually, that is still better for us to do the daily time frame because I will set the pending order and it will take you a lot of time to wait for those signal active. But because we are scalpers, right? So we capitalize the profit in every move of the market, especially for the small time frame signal, quick in, quick out. So choosing to do setting the signals in a smaller time frame is still my best choice. Anyway, I usually do the multiple time frame observation. So no worries that if I see that the signal appears in a 1 hour time frame, I still give that signal in a VIP channel immediately for everyone to understand, to get it in time. Is it okay for you to understand my answer now and forever, kid? Crypto or oil US 5,500. Actually, that I'm focusing to gold market and currency pairs. It nearly took all my time, yeah, in a day. So I will try to gradually update other access to you. But now in a VIP, channel, yeah, community channel, I also upload the technical analysis, yeah, briefly about crypto for you, for everyone to understand. All right, and to be honest, it nearly took me many times for gold analysis and currency pairs already. And we shouldn't trade too much access. All right, we shouldn't trade too much access. We should focus on to what we do best. Yeah, I think that is the better option for everyone. Five 5,300. That is the Ralph barrier, Ralph psychology level. And I also take note, yeah, let me back into 3 hour time frame. Yeah, in the bigger time frame, you can see and you cannot see is the breakdown area. Yeah, it's nearly breakdown from this candle wicks. Every lower candle wicks or lowest price, yeah, of any bullish candle, yeah, any lowest price of bullish candle is where the stations of the buyers. All right, and in 3 hour time frame, you can see that is also where the sellers break down. Yeah, the sellers dominating of that price zone, and it's continue to breaking down severely on Friday, 30 January. All right, so this is also considered as a round psychological barrier for all of us to take note. And also, this is the crossover. Yeah, this point, let's pay attention to 52.45 or 52.50. Yeah, this is the start, the highest point of the candlestick on Friday 13. Yeah, January 30. That's also continue for the bearish momentum. All right, so every lowest and highest point of candlestick, I will take note is as the breakdown or the strong resistance zone. Yeah, I will pay attention to trade next week. However, in the beginning of Asian session on Monday, gold will continue to FOMO to bullish momentum because you see it just break out, from the upper trend line. All right, it's already got the support from a lot of buyers right now. And if we zoom this chart, you see it's forming a dragonfly doji with a very long lower wick, right? So you can understand that it's received, the support from buyers, from 49.37 and push the price up to 49.65. And I believe that in the early Asian session tomorrow, market will continue to FOMO with a bullish trend once again. But we have another pick. The first one will be 50.26 and the second will be 50.94. All right, two right zone. These two bright zone, I will observe and take note if the bullish momentum is very strong, it's still very strong and break out from those level. Significantly, it is the confirmation from a big player, market makers, to confirm that the buyers now is coming back and they are willing to make gold recover once again. All right, and one more thing regarding to the fundamental analysis about the discussion, the negotiation between Mr. President Donald Trump and Iran. And Iran right now. If the result of the negotiations is positive, gold easily decrease and heading down to $4,400 level. All right. For the news, for the special news, we should read the newspaper relating to any negotiation between U.S. and Middle East countries, all right, for the peace solution. If everything's get a positive result, gold will under a lot of pressure for selling in panic once again. This is the opposite situation, right? It's easy for you to understand, right? Gold is only increased when the global crisis is got uncertainty. And geopolitical tensions become unstable. So that is the reason, one of the main reasons will push gold price increase significantly. On the other hand, if everything sold well, between those countries, gold price is under the selling pressure. And let's see, it's better for us to wait, to the middle of the Asian session, and the market will tell you we will do next. We should do next. And also, every day I will prepare the detailed gold trading plan for you. Daily gold trading plan. All right, so we will follow the strategy to trade to the path that I already prepared in detail. All right, just follow our strategy, follow the script carefully. If there are any changes, there are any changes about the market, and I will continue to update the special news on my channel. And the scalping signal in the VIP channel. It's going smooth, right? So that is the latest news that we heard about the result. It's not come to the decision, right? It doesn't give you the decision yet. So everybody is watching for this negotiation congress between Mr. President Donald Trump to Iran, right? And this result will affect to gold market and all the currency pair markets, right? Everything will be affected, especially BTC as well. And I believe that the result will affect significantly to every financial market. Yeah, and let's wait. And if you want to trade safely, you can continue to follow my channel, yeah, on Telegram and join my VIP channel, all right, to receive the scalping signal to trade safely in such a crazy market like this. Okay. Do you offer copy trading on MT5? Actually, that copy trading is not safe, yeah, and illegal in some countries. And I am just a traditional trader. You know, I'm just a traditional trader, so I do not want to concern to the legal things, illegal things. So I would like to deny, yeah, this type of trading. All right, the best thing I can do for you is provide the technical analysis and also the special news that it will affect to gold and other financial markets like currency pairs, so that, yeah, it will help you to control your account and your signals. All right. I hope that you can understand for this diploma. There's a lot of requirements sent to me, yeah, to require for this copy trading, but to be honest, it's not my favor. Yeah, and this is still risky for me. Because you know gold became indirection currently. All right, so this is the key level I noticed on the chart already, and if you want to remember it easily, you can continue to see it in my channel, yeah, in my public channel. All right, and I believe that in tomorrow early Asian session, gold will FOMO a little bit for the bullish trend, but it will continue to the bearish, to the short-term downtrend soon. Yeah, it hit to this previous peak, yeah, near 50.87, and if it got the bullish rejection when it touched to this resistance zone, because this is the confluence between the trend line and resistance, yeah, resistance area. All right, it's got a bullish rejection. I believe that it will heading down strongly to the lowest price at 46.63. Yeah. Everything is just prediction analysis, right? We don't know. We don't know the exact moving that the market will go. So the best thing is follow discipline. Yeah, follow disciplinedly about risk management. All right. One more thing I would like to remind you once again. If you still follow the scalping signal, I would like to extend the stop loss order to avoid the stop loss hunting as the maximal rate. So you should lower the trading volume a little bit. Yeah, lower it, because the range of stop loss is getting wider. All right. Everything is changes, and I don't know when. I don't know, you don't know, everybody don't know when the market is stable once again. All right. So at least we just follow the trend, go with the flow, and be adapt to the current situation of the market. Everything is changing. If you watch multiple time frame, especially the smallest one, like 1 minute, you will see, yeah, this one is the example for you. It decreased from 49.54 to 49.46 in 1 minute. Yeah, nearly 100 pips in 1 minute. So it's so crazy, and this situation will not stop in the short term. All right. So the only way for us to trade safely is extend our stop loss a little bit and lower the trading volume. All right. Never forget to set the stop loss every time you set any layer. Okay. And one more thing. Yeah, especially for anyone that you are the trader. Yeah, you are the trader that you love to enter a lot of layers in one signal. Yeah, so this time we should avoid this. Just enter enough entry, enough layer for one entry. Do not enter too much layers for one entry, like the previous time. All right. This action is simple because it just took you a microsecond to click to any buy and sell button on your trading chart. But the result will be very terrible if it against your analysis. You understand what I mean, right? Just one false direction, one false signal. It will wash out your account easily. If you are greedy, you keep the same habit to enter many layers for one entry. All right, simple action, but it will cause severe damage if we just remain it unchanged. Are you planning to make your own AI bot in the future? This question I will discuss with my friend, with my team again, because there's a lot of requirements and time will change, will make everything change. AI is now king, right? Yeah, so it's gonna be a serious meeting with my team about this matter, okay? And I will give you a response soon in the near future. But now, everything we must follow carefully, due to the signal. Okay, and one more thing, one more thing. There's a lot of one more thing I will share with you in today's live stream because this is the time. Yeah, this is the time I just share my trading experience to you. The market is stable. Yeah, it's closed. The market is closed, so we have time, to talk and to discuss about what we should do in the near future in a such crazy market like this. All right. And another thing I would like to remind you is, I just forgot what I'm about to say. Hang on a second. I just washed out from my brain what I'm about to say. That's so crazy. Do not trade so frequent. Do not enter too much layer in one entry, right? And oh my god, what I'm about to say. It just was out from my brain. Let's take a look in the BTC USD market and let's see. I will remember what I'm about to say to you. Markets will around 52.50 last big area, so we can expect a big fall. It depends. It depends to the candlestick reaction to that area. All right. If it's got the bullish rejection immediately touching to that price zone, I'm surely with you. It's gonna be a dynamic big fall. Big fall. But if there will be a strong, powerful bullish candle break through that level quickly, strongly. I believe that gold market maker, bringing a strong willing and determination to push the gold price increase. I mean main area. Okay. All right, so BTC USD, you see there was a significant bullish momentum when it touched to $59,900 level. This is such a good buy zone for BTC because it was divided nearly three times from the peak area. Let's check the highest point at 125,500, right? And dropping down to nearly 60. So more than 50% decrease from the peak area. Yeah, the all-time high of BTC, right? Such a good buy zone for traders to FOMO for the buy position. But let's see, in the near future, it will break out from 73,000 or not. 5min15 a good confirmation IFVG. When we take a trade 5 minutes and 15 minutes, a good confirmation IFVG. Is this the question or just a statement you want to share with me, my friend? I'm sorry, I do not understand what you mean yet. So would you like to describe it a little bit in detail? Okay, and let's back to Gold USD. There's a lot of Gold USD chart on TradingView. Okay, so my favorite one is Choose Wonder. All right, so this there will be a bit difference between Wonder to other platform, other broker. Okay, so if you want to compare the current chart, have the same result with me, yeah, you can view the same chart on Wonder. There's a lot of broker chart on TradingView, so the only way is choosing the same. Okay, one more thing is that, yeah, daily time frame, it's got a bullish trend when it touched to the support zone at 46.61. Okay, I will concern for this liquidity sweep, yeah, liquidity gap here, this pinky zone. Let's back into the smaller time frame. Yeah, this one, if you're looking at the daily time frame, you will see the empty area is easily to make balance once again between the sellers and buyers. So it's kind of empty down here. Yeah, that's why I told you if the result of the negotiation between the Mr. President Donald Trump to the Middle East country is going to a good trading result, gold price easily fell below gap and heading down to $4,400 level soon, easily. All right. So there's a lot of gap on gold market recently, right? So the only best way for us is lower trading volume and extend our stop loss level a little bit. I never try to revenge the market. Okay, never try to revenge the market. It is super crazy and dangerous if you want to watch out. Yeah, watch out your trading result, your account. Inversion fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap. Can you write it down to be clear? Your chart is not open. It's not open what, my friend? Your chart is not open. Oh, I'm open. I'm opening the trading view right now, my friend. What do you see on the screen right now? It's just a empty space or the chart? BTC. Oh, no, I'm talking about Gold USD right now. I switched into BTC to Gold USD for 4 minutes, 4 minutes already. Inversion fair gap. This information I need to seek once again and share with you in detail for next live stream session, okay? Because I need to research and find something, find something in detail to, to explain, explain easily. All right, so I will see you. I will see you in the next live stream to explain to you this knowledge. In the easiest way for everyone to understand about the inverse fair value gap. Thank you so much for your good question, my friend. And there's a lot of knowledge that we need to understand and study every day, especially technical analysis, right? There are thousands of methods of indicators and lessons we need to explore and remember. But the only thing I can advise you is find yourself a suitable strategy. A suitable strategy, you can use it effectively and be a friend forever with that strategy, with that combo. You don't need too much. You don't need to know everything from this market, every technical analysis, every indicators. No, we shouldn't. Okay, we just understand some key indicators and key tools. All right, strategy we can do the best. Like I'm using EMA. For me, it's EMA trend line, resistance, support zone, fair value gap, and price action. Price action. Watching the breakout or breakdown area and the candle wicks. All right, candle wicks is also a special language of the market. Want to tell you what is going next. All right, or the gap. Gap up and down. So take note to every gap the market is opened. All right, because those gaps will remind you, do not FOMO, to the current momentum. Okay. It's not my mean that I'm about to end the live stream. There's still 20 minutes. 20 minutes in the live stream today. And for the key resistance and support zone, we need to observe next week is 5,152.42. Okay, that is a resistance level. And for support will be 46 and 55 and 44.02. Down here. The first and second pivot point of the lower trend line. Okay, will be our support zone. So just follow this channel, and if you want to receive the daily trading plan, yeah, continue to follow my channel on Telegram. All right. About receiving, yeah, free VIP signal. There are still ways for you to get a free VIP access. Is that you can open your trading account under my link and meet the proper deposit level. I will allow you to join in the VIP channel free every month. All right, so there will be 2 ways for you to receive the scalping signal support from Golden Girl. All right, so that is the best way for us to trade in the market crazy like this. Yeah, I will be the one to find and set up the qualified scalping signal for you every day. Yeah, that is the hardest part of every traders, right? I know this action is very stressful because sometimes you will not, how to say, severe from this stressful, yeah, this pressure. You cannot under for this pressure, and I'll be the one to do it. The only way you can do is follow enough signal, and follow risk management carefully. All right. That is the only thing we can do to survive to this severe period of the markets recently. So not believe to anyone for the invitations that they will promise to multiple your account, yeah, to 10 to 100 times in a short time. It's never happened. Only gambler will believe, but I think it will not last long. Yeah, it's so painful. Hi, Neo Shao. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today. This is just a free time for us to discuss about what should we do next or next week, and yeah, our action we need to prepare for the next trading week. And let's take a look to Forex Factory. There's a lot of important news that was delayed to public last week. Let me hide all the currency pairs and less important news. All right, so let's take a look from the whole week before that. Yeah. ISM manufacturing PMI was a positive. Most of the news was negative. Yeah, negative, especially ATP non-farm and unemployment claims. All right, so this important data was negative, yeah, to U.S. economy. However, the non-farm payrolls was delayed. Yeah, was delayed to release. To next week, yeah, Wednesday, February 11. All right, so we need to follow closely, especially Wednesday, to trade and avoid the liquidity sweep on the day that the markets have a lot of important news like this. On Monday, it's gonna be quiet for special news. However, yeah, market, we cannot predict, we cannot forecast anything in advance. All right, so trade safely. Yeah, so next week will be significant for all traders like us, is for all scalpers like us. All right. There's a lot of red news. Yeah, same next week. And this will be, I think, do you know that Lunar New Year in the Asian countries that it will happen for 2 weeks later, right? Anyone can help me confirm this things because any big holiday, yeah, any big holiday will affect to the liquidity to the market. And I don't think that time the market will be quiet for us to trade because that holiday will happen in this February. Yeah, that is the news I heard for the recent days. So if anyone can help me confirm this, I'm very grateful. All right, so those are the channel. Those are the level that I share with you. We need to pay attention to trade in the next week upcoming. All right, so any question you want to ask me in today's live stream session? Next week, yeah, those important news will be public in the same hour, in the same timeline. All right, so that's just the time we enter to the New York session. Wow, so exciting to trade next week. All right, so if anyone do not have any question else, I would like to end today's live stream now. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining in today's live stream session to hear the story and together we discuss about the market and have the experience trading knowledge and stories share mutually. All right, thank you so much and have a good time. See you next week, and I promise to give you a qualified scalping signal. All right, and see you.